Hey guys, welcome to Fun with Luca. And today Luca's gonna open what, Luca?
Toy Story Play-Doh.
Toy Story Play-Doh. Oh look, you can make these little aliens. Those are cute. And then Woody. And then we got Woody. Mr. Potato Head. Of course, Buzz. So you pull that, the back of the arm, Luca. And it push. Yeah, the Play-Doh right here. It throws the Play-Doh right here. Okay, so we opened it and this is how it looks.
Yeah. And it has
Woody and Mr. Potato. I thought it came Mrs. Potato, but it's only Mr. Potato. Yeah.
So it has Play-Doh.
It has Play-Doh?
Yeah. And you put Play-Doh and plug it, and then you put it in, and it comes inside here.
It comes through there. Okay, and this is so awesome because look, guys, the evil one, I forgot his name, Luca, but that's supposedly his father. Okay, and this is the little alien.
Yeah, and I don't know what that is.
This is his spaceship.
Yeah, and I don't know what that is.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the piggy.
Yeah, pig.
The piggy.
And Anthony has that.
Anthony has that?
Yeah.
Your brother has that? Oh, yeah, the piggy. Okay, and this is to make Mr. Potato Head, and that's Woody. And we got these Play-Dohs, which is, I think this is kind of like red or pink. It's in between, like, kind of like orange, I guess. This is yellow. Oh, look at what color is this? Purple, brown, green. Little alien?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I just a Play-Doh.
Okay. Oh no. I think it's green and purple. But let's just do him green. Right, Luca? Right here. Put everything in there. Here. You smush it in there. Go. You got this. Smush it. Smush it. Oh no. There you go. Okay, now let's take it out.
And then you cut it with a knife.
How do you take it out? I think it's stuck. Let me see. There, look, now flip it. Let me see. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and the piggy, we can do him this color.
Until I have no peaks.
Yeah, because we don't have no pink. Let's do this like this. Let's see how it turns out. Ta-da! Look how smushy look at it, but it's good. The back. Let's try it again. Okay, guys. So I guess we're gonna do them like this, and we close this.
Get back on my push him.
Oh, there he goes.
Let me get it
Okay,
out.
you can get it out. Can you get it out? Okay, awesome. Wow, that's how it looks, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do another one. Which one are we gonna do now? We got Mr. Potato Head here. I'm gonna do Mr. Potato Head yellow.
I do the green one.
Okay, let me do Mr. Potato Head yellow. Okay, Mr. Potato Head. What are you doing to me? Mr. Potato Head says. Okay. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, now we're gonna take him out. Okay, guys, this is Mr. Potato Head. It kind of came a little bit weird, but yeah, he's there. Okay, so that's Luca's little alien. Luca, let me see your little alien. Wow, it looks better than mine, Luca. Okay, so now we did Woody, and Luca's gonna take it out. Whoa, let me see. You got it?
Whoa.
How does it look? Awesome. Oh, this is nice. This one is really nice. It's a little string, Luca. We're gonna cut. Cut. Cut.
Wow.
Wow. And here we go. Whee. You got it? Cut. There. Thanks for watching, guys. share, comment, and subscribe.